Guys, welcome to Frequency Inner FX Trading Channel. And in today's video, I want to share a signal what I think the markets will do. And this is going to be a free signal video. Just so you're not, please share the trading signal on Telegram. But we do the analysis here. The signal that we found today is basically 25 volatility 25 index, and of all my $13, I'm willing to risk about $5 for this trade, just so we give the market time to flow into space through its momentum acute stability. So we're gonna start this analysis from the 4 hours time frame. This is gonna be a short video, and just so I can have my signals up front where I want it to be. So we want to start this analysis from the 4 hour time frame. So now we're in the 4 hour time frame. We're gonna start doing market analysis from here. But the first thing we want to do is basically mark out support and resistance. So what we want to trade in the 4 hour time frame is the strategy I call the support and resistance strategy. I'm gonna have my brush inserted so I'm able to graph out some things for you. You can see the resonance of my chart here. This is my list screen view level. I had given the chart all the way from the beginning to the end, and I'm doing my strategy like the market structure. Of course, this is not trust, this is not touching. If you are with us here, you know all those videos I created with pictures of patterns that represents a directional movement or momentum in the market. So the pattern, if we draw it, if you've been with us, if you've been watching our video, by the way, if this is your first time in the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and all the things we create. And so when we create videos, more videos like this, you'll be the first person to like. You'll be the first person to receive a notification on your phone that I created a video. So with all of that, you're able to get signals, free signals like this, because this signal is going to be a signal that's going to open up a trade as well as building us a reason to trade. So we have a market structure all around the place, and if you watch the M's and W pattern, we've graphed out all of those strategies. So I'm going to view into the chart. So I've drawn a market structure for you already. I made a market structure video underneath all these videos have been creating. All you need to do is go to my YouTube channel, search out the title of any videos you think you need help or support on, any type of strategy you've been trying to understand and not getting properly. So when you watch other videos we made like this, you know that we made videos. So I'm gonna take my trend line, but I'm gonna set its view to everybody's everybody's uh, you know, seeing ability. So I'm gonna just edit it, and I'm gonna come to style, and in my style here you see the bigger I make it get to, and this is the type of that's what I have here. This is what I want, and so I'll save it. Yeah. So after I drew this line, you can see how big it is, and just so I can use it for a proper market, structural directional momentum, I had it up front like that. So we have the strategy up fronted, and now we're drawing lanes to make sure the strategy are aligning with each other, and that's what we're doing right now. And the more we do it, the more you see the market is aligning, and it's becoming a particular type of pattern I know to be the bilateral market structure candlestick pattern. But this is on the 4 hour time frame. I might just be doing 4 hours and few more time frames underneath the video, so we do not have a branch of structure, invalidity, and some other challenges we're going to encounter in this market in the future if we do not know how to use all of this too. Just so you can see where we've been picking all the stools from. We've been picking them from the two chart, which is at this point. Let me take this there so you see it. Or you just click anywhere of the screen. After clicking anywhere of the screen, the option comes out like this, and you see this particular one over here is the one you're gonna click on if you want to use all of those you know, all of those market structure and momentum, and you can see it going up and down. But you see overall the market is looking like this. So when it came back down here, but not everybody on expected what was going to happen. I've been in this business for a long time. I've been managing social media accounts for people. As I stand, I still do some um, Facebook updates on the posts and on the signals we're making. But this is a signal video. But the video is going to explain, give you a reason for signal very soon after. Just stay with us. Watch this video till the end, and you're going to get the signal we're trying to post. But we're trying to draw out some market statistics analysis that explains how the market moves over time. So you can see there was a structural movement at this point. The market went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down. Now it's going down. So this is a market structure, and what I call this particular thing that happened is a break of structure. Whenever you see this, it means a break of structure is going to come into play. So with that, I needed like two more confluences, and that was what I got here. I got my first confluence here, and my second confluence came from this next candle that is moving up here. All of these 4 hours, you see all this market structure candle has been forming all the way from the 4 hours time frame for a long time, and now it keeps going up like this, and now we see it's getting out of structure, but overall it was forming something, and that is what we have here. So we're trying to play the market from that point. So we're gonna take, okay, let's close this first. So we have this now. So the second confluence is the fact that if I went to the 1 hour time frame, you would see that the market had a little play of structure over there. The market got up there, it retraced at this point of levitation, this point of structure, this point of basic momentum, and everybody thinks the market is going to be playing a game called the future moving average. And yes, even on the lesser time frame, you can see we have more structure that told us this market was going to go down, which means in the other side of sight that the market is going against predictions. So, well, um, not probably going against prediction, but reducing in value. So the market is reducing in value. So the more it reduces in value, the more decompressed it becomes. So the market keeps moving low in value, and that's the 25 index anyways. So the reason it keeps going down is basically because the structural movement that came here are more than two in confluences. I'll teach you more about the strategy. If you want me to teach you any strategy you do not have understanding, I'll just comment on the write comments on the comment section and be able to get it right. Alright, so that's where you get it all from. Yeah, when you type it there, you just type saying you want me to make a video like this, and please do not reply any comment you see, unless it's coming from the official admin page, and you know what page I use, right? So just stay there. So my time frames, the time frame I use here are just 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. I'll go to the 30 minutes, and you can see what the 30 minutes is saying. The 30 minutes already formed three structures downward. As big of a time frame as this is, it is also giving structural complications that makes it properly administrated. So you see the market going all the way structural. Even in the 15 minutes time frame, there's this two big head candle, this structure that went up like this, but we all know if it goes up it still might come down, and when it comes down it retraces here. When it retraces here it goes down, and when it goes up it goes down again. So now if I take a trade, I'm taking it on a 15 minutes time frame, stopping all those analysis in this particular time frame. I already have enough market structure confluence that I think will happen. So I'm just gonna sell, and I'm gonna show you my stop loss. I'm not trying to smuggle my trade too much. I'm using about $5 as my stop loss, and I only have $30, so I'm trying to see how I will make profits at this video. So I'm gonna take $13 for profit, and that's gonna be 1:3. Yeah. So let's say of my $13, I'm very sure of this trade, so I'm gonna take it two times, and I'm gonna take another trade. I'm gonna take another trade and check out my stop loss. 28.29. So I'm just gonna come here, new order, selling. 28.29 was the stop loss, remember? So we're very sure of this one. We're very sure of this one because this is the markets we are banking on, the markets we know the next momentum. So this is the one we set a stop loss at. So we're gonna take 1:1 for this trade. $6.90 is okay for us. So these are the stop losses and take profits I set for this trade. So yes guys, this is the video I wanted to show you about, and make sure you with us. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. This is the live signal. It happened at the 11th minute of the video, and the live signal is gonna be uploaded live on YouTube now. Wherever you see, just make sure you're trading. See you in my next video. Peace out. Subscribe if you enjoyed value, and if you gained value, like, subscribe, share the videos to fellow relatives and co-workers and embarrassed and and tell them to subscribe to the channel. Bye.